IELTS tips for reading. Academic reading duration is 60 minutes. There are 3 sections, each containing 1 long. The texts are all real and are taken from books, journals, magazines and newspapers. Texts range from the descriptive and factual to the discursive and analytical. They may contain non-verbal materials such as diagrams, graphs or illustrations. General reading duration is 60 minutes. Section 1 contains 2 or 3 short factual texts, one of which may be composite. Topics are relevant to everyday life in an English-speaking country. Section 2 contains 2 short factual texts focusing on work-related issues. Section 3 contains 1 longer, more complex text on a topic of general interest. You will be reading real passages taken from notices, adverts, company handbooks. 1. To improve your performance in the reading test, you need to practice reading a variety of English texts. This will help you develop the ability to read quickly, as is required under test conditions. 2. Read every question carefully first, before reading the passages. This will make it easier for you to find the answers. Underline possible answers as you go. 3. If you are copying words from a question or reading passage to use in your answer, remember that your spelling must be accurate. 4. When you come to reading the passage, read it quickly the first time in order to get a general idea of what it's about. Don't worry about words you do not understand. 5. The reading passages always contain the information. You won't have to use your own knowledge of a topic. 6. Try underlining keywords and ideas in each paragraph as you read to help you understand the key message of each passage. 7. Circle or underline keywords as you read. This will make it easier to find these details later, if they come up in any of the questions. 8. If you're asked to label a diagram, you will find the words you need in the text. Be sure to copy them carefully from the text with the correct spelling. 9. If there are questions you cannot answer, leave them and move on to the next question. This will help you to stay calm and positive. Go back to those questions at the end, if you have time. 10. Make sure you write down your answers for the reading test on the answer sheet, not the question paper. There will be no extra time to transfer your answers after the reading test. Good luck!